Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make Yemeni coffee. To begin, gather your essential ingredients and tools for this unique brew. We'll focus on fresh, high-quality coffee beans, along with aromatic spices like cardamom and ginger. Having the right equipment, such as a traditional jabina or a simple pot, and a mortar and pestle, will make the process much more enjoyable and authentic. These items are key to crafting a truly special cup. Next, we move to the crucial step of roasting and grinding. Gently roast your green coffee beans in a dry pan over medium heat for about 5 to 7 minutes, until they achieve a light to medium brown hue and release a wonderful aroma. Then, using your mortar and pestle, coarsely grind the roasted beans. Don't forget to crush a few cardamom pods and a small piece of fresh ginger to infuse those delightful flavors into your coffee. Now, let's brew this aromatic concoction. Combine your coarsely ground coffee and crushed spices in your chosen pot. For every 1/4 cup of coffee, add approximately 4 cups of cold water. Bring this mixture to a gentle boil over medium heat, then reduce it to a simmer. Allow it to brew for about 10 to 15 minutes, letting all those wonderful flavors fully develop and deepen into a rich, fragrant beverage. Finally, it's time to enjoy your homemade Yemeni coffee, often called kahwa. Carefully strain the rich brew into small, handle-less cups. You can add a small amount of sugar to taste if you prefer a sweeter profile. This delightful beverage is traditionally served immediately, often accompanied by sweet dates or other traditional pastries. Savor the unique, warm, and spicy flavors of this ancient coffee tradition, a true cultural experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.